Miss Munoz here with this chemical formula scavenger hunt assignment. And in order to do this, you're going to want quite a few things available to you. You're going to need the self-grading sheet open, and it's going to look like this. There's in the assignment, there's a Jamboard attached. And when you open the Jamboard, you're going to see slides with pictures of household items. The first one is liquid plumber, and you'll see these tools next to it. And these slides, students have gone through and circled the chemical formulas that they found in the ingredient list. And the third thing that you're going to want is a paper that I gave you of all the different ions that are found in these household items. So a paper in front of you, the Jamboard open, and the self-grading sheet. So the first item is liquid plumber, and you see that right here on the self-grading sheet. Sodium hydroxide is circled, and you see sodium is Na, hydroxide is OH. So you go to liquid plumber, and you have your drop-down menu, and you're going to look for something that has Na and OH. And that formula happens to be NaOH. So you click on that, and then you need to think about whether it's ionic or covalent. So Na is a metal, and you could also have your periodic table from your notebook that we colored to determine if this is ionic or covalent. Na is a metal, starts with a metal, it's ionic. So click on ionic. The row changes color. You know that you're correct. You also see that the score goes up by 1 right here in this spot. We'll go on to the next slide. And this is the breakfast smoothie. And this one has 2 items circled. It's chromium chloride and zinc oxide. The smoothie is right under the liquid plumber. Chromium chloride is Cr and Cl. So we got to find something with Cr and Cl. So we scroll through here. And this formula has a 2 with it. So it's still Cr and Cl. That 2 doesn't matter. Very soon you will find out why that 2 is there. Chromium starts with, chromium is a metal, so this also is ionic. Now, since this has a second item circled, you have a chance for a bonus point. And we've got Zn and O. It's for zinc oxide, so you're going to look for a formula with zinc and oxide. That's right here. You'll know if the bonus formula is right because the bonus score area will go up by 1. Otherwise, you won't know if your bonus formula is right or not. I'm just going to do one more with you, and that one is with the ravioli. The ravioli has 2, and I'm just going to do one of them, sodium phosphate. So sodium is Na. We already did that. So we know this is ionic because it starts with Na again. Phosphate is PO4. So we need Na and PO4. Here's Na3PO4. We know this is ionic because Na is a metal. This changes color. Our score went up. And now if you want to get the bonus point on your own, you are going to look for the formula for ammonium chloride. So you're going to go to your reference sheet. You're going to find what ammonium is and chloride. And you're going to look through all these formulas and see which one goes with, which one would be right for ammonium chloride. And then watch to see if your bonus score goes up.